Hey everyone, Summer here, and I got my Passion for Polymer magazine, which somebody asked. It comes in this like heavy duty kind of bag. It's really even hard to like rip open. It's not, but it's still flexible for the magazine itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it real quick. I haven't even looked at the magazine, so I have no idea what we're getting ready to look into here. But I did want to show you that it is packaged fairly decently well as far as I'm concerned. I have to cut it open to even get into it, so you know. All right, so let's go ahead and pull this baby out. Look at this. Ooh, we saw the cover for this previously. Ooh, I like the back. Look at the back of that. Okay, let's see. I know there's going to be an insert in here somewhere. It might have fell out in the bag. So sometimes you'll notice that the insert has come off in the bag instead of being in the middle of the magazine. And what do we have here? Look at that. Isn't that pretty cool? Ooh, this would be cool on like little fairy houses or for stone sidewalks on fairy stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay, so my brain's already going fey. All right, so let's take a look at issue number 23. 23. What do we have in here? Oh man, look at that right there, right in the side, right there. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. So we are Magic of Faraway Lands. So this one is all about faraway lands. Hey, look, there's the Bravehearts we've been seeing in the Passion for Polymer group and Create Along Tribe. Oh, that is so cool. And of course, we're going to get the tutorial for it. So I'm excited for that. I want to make my own. How fantastic. Okay, then we have the Polymer Clay Chef. Ooh, they're bookends. We get to learn how to make these bookends right here. Let's see if I can do better. Is that better? There we go. Isn't that cool? Look at those. Ah, I'm excited. Those will be fun. What else we got going on in here? Gate to the Stars pendant. Look at that pendant. Wow. And it looks like we will get a tutorial for it. Woohoo! I love the tutorials in this magazine. That's like my favorite thing. Oh, caning. So there's a Flowers of Pandora pendant that we're going to learn how to make in here. How fabulous is that? Oh, yeah. Oh, it's so gorgeous. And the tutorial is fairly easy, too. Then we have Fall Leather Dragon notebook cover. Oh, we're gonna learn how to do that too. Look at that, guys. I am in love with this one already. Dragons and faraway lands, and I like it. Oh my goodness, what is that? Fantasy Atelier? Look at this, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. Holy cow. This is like a meet the lady who does these kind of things. Sandy Niche. I'm not sure how you spell the name, but holy cow. These are fantastic. And then we have Sharing the Magic by, I think it's Aphie Smith Murphy. We saw a little bit about this already. Somebody posted in the group about it. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, that's so cool. I can't wait to actually just sit down and like read all of this. And we have the Color Corner Challenge, guys. So I will also post this in the Passion for Polymer group, which I will leave a link to down in the description, as well as a link to how you get this magazine. But there is a challenge in the magazine where you can win some prizes if you do the challenge. And let's see, February's palette is Faraway Lotus. Oh, these colors are just stunning, just stunning. Oh yeah, Color Corner Challenge. I'm excited to try that this time. Faraway Lands are watching you. Wow, look at these eyeballs, guys. Oh wow. And I think, yes we do, we get a tutorial for that one as well. Woohoo, Tutorial City. Thank you. So my grandbaby's here with me, sorry about that, but she is making all sorts of noises over here for me. And then we have my favorite part of the magazine, which is the gallery, showing all of the lovely folks who post stuff in the groups, and there is just a ton of amazing artists in here. I am so happy to see this one. Thank you guys so much for doing this magazine. I really, really, really do love it. I can't wait to try some of the tutorials in it, and I hope you guys will too. Again, I will leave links in the description to the Passion for Polymer group as well as this magazine. Be sure to join the group and get in on some of these challenges where you can earn some prizes. Thanks for watching.